Imagine buying a token that's suddenly pumping 13,000% plus in a day. Yeah, that's exactly what's happening with Magma right now on PancakeSwap. In this video, we're unpacking Magma, a token lighting up the charts, gaining massive attention on BNB Chain lately thanks to insane volume and price action. We'll cover what Magma actually is, how it works, what's driving the narrative and the pump, tokenomics, strengths and risks, and who this might be for. At its core, Magma is a community-driven BEP20 token trading on the BNB chain with its price action exploding recently. Right now, Magma appears to be a token with active trading and a growing market cap on dexes like PancakeSwap, showing huge percentage gains that have drawn attention from traders. There are also older versions or concepts of tokens called Magma in various communities. Some reflective tokens with burn mechanics and liquidity locks that were discussed years ago. But these are not necessarily related to the current BNB Chain Magma pump you're seeing. In simple terms, think of Magma as a speculative token pumping on BNB Chain, possibly backed by a small community or emerging narrative. Big moves attract eyeballs and fast money. Let's look at what we do know about how Magma is functioning right now. Right now, the main interaction for Magma is as a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain, meaning it behaves like most standard tokens. You can buy it on dexes like PancakeSwap, sell it, and transfer it between wallets. There isn't any widely documented official underlying DeFi protocol or infrastructure product attached to this particular iteration of Magma. No official governance ecosystem, staking mechanism, or major utility clearly defined on large trackers yet. Thus, from a mechanics standpoint, price action is driven by trading demand on PancakeSwap. Utility, if any, beyond trading is currently unclear from major tracked sources. This pattern is typical for many low-cap BEP20 tokens. Price increases significantly due to thin liquidity and high volume, which can create rapid pumps. So, what do we know about tokenomics? Magma has been trading with a market cap in the low millions USD range. Recent trading on PancakeSwap shows huge percentage moves and volume spikes, suggesting strong interest, but also thin liquidity. The exact total supply and distribution details for this specific token aren't clearly listed on major aggregators yet, so transparency is limited. Tokens like this often have a portion of supply in community wallets, some in liquidity pools, and sometimes a team or treasury allocation. But until official docs are published, it's speculation. This setup can create dramatic price action, both up and down, since small buys or sells can move the price quickly. So what's driving the current Magma buzz? The token is moving huge volume with big percentage gains that get traders talking on social feeds. Being tradable on BNB Chain's biggest DEX gives Magma liquidity and accessibility. But aside from the pump, there's no widely published roadmap or major protocol narrative associated with this specific token in major crypto sources, which is something viewers should pay attention to. In other words, the narrative right now is that of a speculative BEP20 token seeing explosive interest, not a project with clear utility launch milestones or ecosystem expansion yet. Explosive short-term price action capturing attention. Tradable on a major DEX, PancakeSwap, with real volume. Might still have community momentum. No clear official utility or roadmap publicly verified, meaning the pump may be purely speculation. Low-cap tokens can dump fast. High volatility. Transparency issues if tokenomics and team info aren't published on Tier 1 data sources. Unverified. This balance is critical. Hype doesn't always equal fundamentals.